Are you seeing the Input Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. To begin our input library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Input Library, frequently bundled with game launchers and specialized simulators. It manages the real-time polling of keyboards and mice, translating raw hardware signals into application-level commands. If missing, the software will open, but will not respond to any user input, effectively hanging at the main menu. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Qt5. OpenGL DLL is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Input Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Qt5 OpenGL DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Input Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Input Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.